If you're looking for a great way to get your younger kids out of the house to enjoy the great outdoors and breathe the fresh air, going for a bike ride is a great activity. The Ibert Safe T Seat is really quite different from other child bike seats on the market. Because of where it's positioned on the bike, you, the parent, have a lot more balance and control, which means it's safer. Plus, because your kid sits in front of you, you can actually interact with them while enjoying scenic bike rides. Ibert Safe T Seat is really easy to install. You and your child will be riding around enjoying the wind in your face, getting helmet head, within minutes of opening the box. Before we get going, we need to remove the stinger assembly from the safety seat. The stinger is the metal bar that attaches to the handlebar riser. It's called a stinger because, well, it looks like a really big bee stinger. Once you have the stinger assembly separate from the seat, remove one of the bolts so the bracket is attached only on one side. Slide the stinger bracket around the steering tube and replace the second bolt. Using the hex key or Allen wrench that came with the seat, tighten each bolt evenly. Be careful not to over-tighten. Make sure the stinger assembly is perpendicular to the handlebars and aligned with the bike's top bar. The stinger assembly should fit tightly on the steering tube and turn with the handlebars. The stinger shouldn't move on its own. Check out the seat on a cruiser bike and on a mountain bike. You should note that depending on the style of your bike, the stinger may have to be raised on the steering tube so the safety seat fits properly. Let's attach the safety seat to the stinger. Slide the seat into the stinger assembly as far forward as possible. Line up the holes in the seat bracket with the hole in the stinger assembly and lock the seat into place with the ring pin and clip that we took out when we got started. Now, it's normal if there's a bit of a wobble in the seat. This won't be noticeable once you put the child in. Putting your child in the seat is easy. Unlock the crossbar by pushing the tab and unclip the shoulder straps. The easiest way is to first straddle the bike, pick up your child, and then set them in the seat. Slide the shoulder straps over the child's head and click them into the receiver between their legs. Slide the stabilizer bar about 2 inches below the child's chin to keep the shoulder straps correctly positioned over the child's shoulders. Lock the crossbar into the seat, put your helmets on, and you're ready to roll. Ibert's safety seat fits most styles and makes of bikes in the US, although some bike designs, such as cruisers, might require some height adjustment on the steering tube to allow the seat to lock into the stinger assembly. The safety seat makes family bike rides even better because it gives your kids a front row view of the scenery instead of mom and dad's backside. And it's better for the parents because the seat's position makes it easier to handle the bike and lets you talk to your kids and point things out during the ride. All in all, Ibert's safety seat is a better alternative to other child bike seats on the market.